Hey guys, it's Sydney. Welcome back to my channel. I first want to apologize for this lighting. It's kind of late here, it's dark, so this is the best I can do with the lighting right now, so I'm super sorry about that. But I wanted to make this video because I have a huge announcement for you guys today. I have known this for a little while and I just got word that we can announce it today. Technically tomorrow because I'm filming this the night before, but Poshfest, Dallas. I can finally tell you that I am an official closet consultant for Poshfest in Dallas, which means that I get to sit down one-on-one with you guys and I get to meet you and give you advice about Poshmark. I can look at your closets, we can talk about business, we can sit down, we can get to know each other, we can chat. I'm going to be doing, I think it's 15-minute sessions, I'm not sure. I'll be posting way more details in my Poshboss HQ group. If you are not a member of that, definitely join that down below. I'll link it down below. I'll post, you know, a lot more details in that once I get them, times, everything like that. I do believe the sessions are going to be taking place on Saturday is what I think it said. Once I get the exact time and everything, I will definitely be posting that, so stay tuned for that. But I am so excited and blessed and honored and grateful for this opportunity for Poshmark inviting me to be a closet consultant at their conference. I don't even know what to say right now because I'm so excited, but I wanted to sit down and make this video for you guys so that I could announce it and tell you. And if you are going to be at Poshfest, definitely comment down below, let me know. And I want to meet you guys, I want to talk to you, take pictures, you know, whatever. I am so excited. We are a little less than, it's a little over a month away, so like a month and a half away, so that's crazy. But I will be doing closet consultations in Dallas, and I just want to say thank you to Poshmark for inviting me to do this, for giving me this opportunity. I am so excited. A couple things about Poshfest. I am driving to Poshfest, me and Courtney and Shannon. Courtney is Milo's Market and then Shannon is Sweet Vidalia on Instagram, and we are all driving to Poshfest from the Carolinas to Dallas, so that is going to be an amazing road trip. Make sure you're following me on Instagram because there's probably going to be a slew of posts from that. It's gonna be an exciting trip. I'm so excited. I'm excited to meet them. I'm excited to meet so many people at Poshfest that I know from online and YouTube and Instagram and my group. And you know, if you're gonna be there, definitely comment down below and let me know. I'm just so excited. I'm so excited for this opportunity to like sit down because it's what I love to do. I love to talk about Poshmark. I love to tell people about Poshmark. I love looking at other people's closets and, you know, when they ask me for advice and talking about business, it's just really what I enjoy doing. So I wanted to make this video so that I could officially announce it and tell you guys that I'm doing closet consultations. I'm a closet consultant at Poshfest. Like, that is crazy. Like, I started doing this from like my bedroom in college, like selling things online, and this is what I do and this is my life, and it's so amazing. Like, I can't even tell you, like, because I was in such a miserable place once I, you know, got out of college and had a job, and I hated my life and I hated what I was doing, and to find something like Poshmark that can, you know, and reselling in general, and you know, being my own boss and working for myself, and just having these opportunities to go and to talk about what I do with other people and to be around like-minded people. Like, you know, I went to eBay Open in Las Vegas, and I'm more of a Poshmark seller than an eBay seller, but like to be around people who like get what you do and understand your life, like there's nothing like it. So I'm so excited to meet all of you and talk to you and take pictures, and we are gonna have an absolute blast in Dallas, Texas. I've never been to Texas, so I'm excited to see that. I'm excited for the road trip. I flew to Vegas, obviously, and that was an experience. So I'm kind of excited to be driving to Poshfest, not gonna lie. But yeah, so I'm a closet consultant at Poshfest in Dallas. Definitely join my group below for updates and follow me on Instagram for updates. I will be posting whatever I can post, details as much as I can. So, you know, I just found out that they're announcing the agenda tomorrow morning because I'm filming this night before today. So I'm excited to finally be able to tell you guys because I've known for a little while and I've been wanting to tell you. So that is my video for right now. If you like it, give me a thumbs up, subscribe. I'll definitely be posting more updates about Poshfest, so make sure you're subscribed for that. You can click the bell and you'll get notifications. But that is my video and my announcement, and I will see you guys in Dallas. Bye!